That's the worst excuse I think you could use for a reason, is that you're a father, because I'm a mother. Do you think that it's okay for your son to live and my daughter to die?
An emotional interview with the mother of Dominique Taylor, a teenager shot and killed this past winter at the Villa Capri Apartments in Fort Wayne. A 16-year-old young man who has a toddler of his own had his first hearing in adult court, charged with shooting and killing Taylor around Christmas time. Thank you for joining us, everyone. I'm Linda Jackson.
And I'm Tom Powell. We are glad you're here tonight. Fort Wayne's NBC reporter Corinne Rose spoke exclusively with the victim's mother, who says she was stunned at what the boy said to her.
There's days where, I don't even want to get out of bed.
Through her grief, Brandy Parrish sat in on the hearing to determine whether the boy who allegedly shot and killed her 18-year-old daughter, Dominique Taylor, should be tried as an adult. Another 16-year-old is also charged with her murder.
I hope it was worth it for them. I hope that every day they sit in the penitentiary that they can think about what they did to my daughter. And I hope they're miserable as hell for the rest of their life.
Court documents outline that 16-year-old DeJuan Martin Jr. was 15 right before Christmas when police say he killed Taylor as she waited in a car for a friend at the Villa Capri Apartments. Now 16 and charged with murder, a judge decided Martin should be tried as an adult. The judge cited Martin's increasing involvement and severity with police and the juvenile justice system since 2018, with many of the cases involving guns and resisting law enforcement. The judge also noted Martin's gang activity, as well as threats and acts of violence at schools and while detained. In fact, the documents outline 40 to 60 discipline write-ups at the Allen County Juvenile Center, many of which were serious enough for staff to restrain him.
I think that it was the absolute perfect decision to be waiving him as an adult, because I believe that what he has done is definitely an adult decision.
She was taken aback, though, when she says Martin talked to her in court.
DeJuan looked at me on his way out and he told me he was sorry. I appreciate the gesture, but I'm sorry it doesn't bring my daughter back.
She says she will honor her daughter the best way she knows.
I will continue to fight for my daughter, and I will continue to make sure that they stay locked up for the rest of their lives as long as I'm alive.
Martin's next court hearing is set for July 29th. Corinne Rose, Fort Wayne's NBC.
DeJuan Martin's co-defendant, Seneca James, is also charged with murder. His trial is scheduled to begin on July 28th.